Hey there, hope you're doing well today. Would you like to help me make a cafe mocha at home? I have this espresso steamer that I got at a Goodwill for maybe $5 or $6. Don't be afraid to use them at home. It's not that hard. I just watched YouTube videos and learned how to do it myself. I need some coffee. I have a grinder actually that's also from the thrift store to make a espresso grind, which is more fine than a drip. There are 2 levels inside, a 1 and a 2. I'm going to fill it to the first line, and you have to pack it down in. You just use the flat end of this measurer. Okay, this goes in there, twists inside till it's out the front. Fill the glass carafe. I fill it to the top because half of it you're going to use for the coffee and the other half you're going to use to steam the milk. Pour it in the top reservoir. Twist the lid on very tight. I mean, don't crank it, but make it tight enough because it's going to be pressurized in there. Get the lid on the carafe, put it under. And let's get the milk ready. I'm using almond milk. I happened to find this at a estate sale. Just a stainless steel cup. And it has measurements on the inside. I'll fill it up just about to here. Set that aside and turn the dial. The dial has a brew side and a steam side. Turn it to the brew side and it should start heating up. Let me put this away. I'm going to add to it my chocolate syrup that I made. Waiting. I hear it starting. Here it goes. There's the milk. You have to get ready. Goes. When it gets to this line, I'm going to switch it to the steam. It puts out a lot of steam, so be careful. Do that. And when it's warm or hot at the bottom, it's ready. Okay, put it together. We need some chocolate. Put about 4 tablespoons in. 2, 3, 4. Pour the coffee in. And pour. A beautiful cafe mocha at home. Just like Starbucks. And you have to clean this nozzle off pretty quick so it doesn't cook on there. Then I'll run some steam through it afterwards. Rinse this out. Okay, here's what we do to clean up. I wanted to show you. I ran water through this, so I'm going to just put it back on. Turn it back on. And just run some steam through it clean into just plain water in this little cup. Here comes the steam. Isn't that cool? And then any leftover water, we want to run out of it. I think it's all out. Turn it off and unplug it. Here's the coffee. And this little flap goes over to hold the cup in. And then you bang it out, bang the coffee out into the trash or the garden. Pretty cool. Then you just rinse the cup out. It's good to go next time. See you later.